What type of tummy tuck do you need? That depends on how much extra skin you have. Do you have extra skin above your belly button, between your breastbone and your belly button? And do you have a loose abdominal wall or loose muscles, which oftentimes includes rectus diastasis? So there's really a few different types of tummy tucks or variations of a tummy tuck. There's the mini tummy tuck, the regular or traditional tummy tuck, and then there's lower body lifts or belt lipectomies. So mini tummy tucks treat extra skin below the belly button and a loose abdominal wall. A regular tummy tuck treats extra skin above and below the belly button and tightens up the muscle layer of a loose abdominal wall. A lower body lift or belt lipectomy treats the same things as a full tummy tuck, but also treats extra skin above the thighs and above the buttocks and lifts up the lateral thighs and the butt as part of a lower body lift or belt lipectomy. So that is sort of some of the variations of a tummy tuck. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.